The all-new 2026 Toyota RAV4 has been officially revealed but is not yet physically available, leading to uncertainty for buyers, particularly in Canada, where pricing, production, and dealership availability remain unconfirmed. When Toyota unveiled the fully redesigned RAV4 in May 2025, it indicated that production timing and pricing would follow later in the year. This created expectations of late 2025 availability or early 2026 delivery. Now that 2026 is underway, those expectations have not been met, leaving buyers uncertain about when the new RAV4 will actually reach dealerships. Canadian pricing has yet to be released, and no confirmed inventory has been reported by dealerships. Production has not yet translated into customer-ready vehicles, leaving the new generation RAV4 unavailable for purchase or delivery. This has raised questions about what has changed since the initial announcement, why the rollout is taking longer than expected, and when buyers can realistically expect pricing, ordering, and on-sale dates. Understanding the current timeline is essential for setting accurate expectations for both consumers and dealerships. Toyota began winding down production of the outgoing 2025 RAV4 generation, including gasoline, hybrid, and plug-in hybrid variants, to prepare factories for the next generation model. This created a temporary gap. The previous generation was no longer being produced, while the 2026 RAV4 had not yet entered full-scale production for customer delivery. This stage is a planned pause between generations, not a delay in the redesign. Production adjustments are underway to accommodate the redesigned platform, updated powertrains, and new technology in the 2026 model. Assembly lines, supplier schedules, and quality control processes are being optimized to ensure a smooth launch. Consequently, remaining dealership inventory from the outgoing generation is limited, and once sold, buyers must wait for the next generation RAV4. This explains the temporary low availability in markets with high demand. Attention has shifted toward when official Canadian details, particularly pricing and trim structures, will be confirmed. While some international markets have begun receiving preliminary information, Canada has not yet seen formal announcements. Historically, Toyota often aligns major product updates with international automotive events, which provide an ideal platform to confirm pricing, reveal market-specific trims, and formally open order books. In the case of the 2026 RAV4, the timing aligns with early-year automotive showcases, which would explain the continued silence through the end of 2025 and early 2026. If official pricing and specifications are tied to these events, ordering and delivery timelines will naturally extend into the first quarter of 2026. Until those announcements are made, dealerships cannot provide confirmed figures, configurations, or delivery windows. Buyers are left in a holding pattern as the next phase of the rollout approaches. The phased approach also allows Toyota to manage demand effectively, ensuring that production is stable and vehicles meet quality standards before reaching customers. Projected delivery timelines have shifted as well. Initial expectations of late 2025 or early January arrivals are no longer realistic due to the lack of confirmed pricing, allocations, and production scheduling. Even once pricing is released, there is typically a short delay before vehicles arrive at dealerships. Orders must be processed, production volumes stabilized, and logistics pipelines activated to move completed vehicles to regional distribution centers. Physical availability usually trails official announcements by several weeks. Under this revised timeline, the earliest deliveries of the 2026 RAV4 are likely toward the end of winter, with broader availability following shortly after. While the vehicle's launch may appear delayed, it remains consistent with a controlled, phased rollout rather than a disruption or setback in development. The extended timeline raises questions about whether the delay is strategic or driven by external factors. In practice, it is likely a combination of both. The RAV4 is one of Toyota's highest volume and globally important vehicles, and any generational change carries significant expectations for reliability, quality, and long-term durability. Before a full public launch, manufacturers often allocate additional time for validation testing, supplier coordination, and quality assurance checks. This is particularly important for vehicles with hybrid-heavy lineups, where software calibration, battery integration, and emissions compliance must be carefully aligned across multiple markets. Taking extra time at this stage reduces the risk of post-launch issues and ensures consistency once deliveries begin. Market conditions may also influence timing. Pricing strategies must consider inflation, currency fluctuations, and competitive positioning, particularly in regions with high demand for compact SUVs. Finalizing these details closer to launch allows Toyota to make adjustments that reflect current market conditions rather than projections made months earlier. Together, these factors suggest that the current pace reflects a deliberate effort to stabilize the launch rather than rush it. The delay, while inconvenient for buyers, supports a smooth and reliable introduction of the next-generation RAV4. The delayed arrival also affects buyers who were planning to purchase or replace a vehicle in the early months of the year. Factory orders for the 2025 RAV4 are no longer possible, and remaining inventory continues to shrink. Some buyers may still find a current-generation RAV4 on a lot, but options in trims, colors, and powertrains are limited. Once that inventory is gone, the only path forward is to wait for the 2026 model. For time-sensitive buyers, this gap may require short-term adjustments. At the same time, the supply gap reinforces demand for the new generation. As availability tightens, interest in the 2026 RAV4 grows, setting the stage for strong demand once pricing is announced and deliveries begin. The transition leading up to the 2026 RAV4 limited availability of new RAV4 inventory can help retain the value of outgoing generation vehicles. Reduced supply combined with sustained demand can stabilize resale prices, particularly for well-maintained hybrid models. For current RAV4 owners, trade-in values may remain stronger than expected, and depreciation may slow while buyers await the redesigned model. Extended anticipation may also increase interest in the new generation, potentially leading to tight supply during the initial launch phase. This illustrates how rollout timing affects production schedules, market conditions, and consumer behavior in the months before official availability. The rollout of the 2026 RAV4 is expected to follow a staggered schedule for different powertrain options. While exact dates are not confirmed, historical trends suggest standard hybrid models will arrive first, followed by plug-in hybrid variants several months later. In Canada, hybrid EV models could reach dealerships in late February or early March 2026, shortly after pricing and trim information is finalized. PHEV and specialty trims may not be available until April or May. This phased approach allows production to focus initially on high-volume models while ensuring quality and supply for more complex versions. Buyers seeking specific configurations should anticipate additional lead time. Official announcements, including pricing and on-sale dates, are expected to coincide with major early-year automotive events. Once these details are released, dealerships will begin processing orders, and production will ramp up to meet demand. Even with production underway, deliveries will follow gradually as vehicles move through distribution channels before reaching regional lots. Buyers should anticipate a phased availability, with earliest deliveries appearing several weeks after pricing is announced. This structured rollout helps minimize disruptions, maintain quality, and ensure a steady introduction of the new RAV4. For consumers, this means that while the 2026 RAV4 is confirmed and fully revealed, widespread availability will take time. The controlled rollout explains why immediate delivery options are not yet available despite the vehicle being publicly announced months earlier.